uncover the shocking mechanical secrets behind devastating impact. Impact, a fundamental force, shapes our world profoundly. From ancient battlefields to modern safety systems, impact reigns. Humans have tirelessly engineered machines to control this power. Early innovators sought to harness immense destructive energy. Today, precision engineering manages impact for various goals. Understanding impact mechanics reveals astonishing human ingenuity. This journey explores how impact defined technological progress. Ancient engineers first mastered impact with siege engines. Catapults, onagers, and trebuchets launched heavy projectiles. These machines stored potential energy through tension or gravity. A sudden release converted stored energy into kinetic force. Massive stones struck castle walls, causing immense damage. The famous trebuchet at Acre in 1291 devastated defenses. Its mechanical design maximized projectile velocity and weight. These ancient marvels truly redefined medieval warfare. The advent of gunpowder revolutionized impact delivery entirely. Cannons replaced siege engines with explosive propulsion power. Gunpowder combustion generated rapid gas expansion inside barrels. This force accelerated heavy cannonball to unprecedented speeds. The Dardanelles Gun, cast in 1464, was a massive early example. Its sheer kinetic energy could breach formidable fortifications. Cannon impact reshaped military tactics and defensive architecture. Explosive force became the new standard for destructive power. Modern ballistics further refined impact with incredible precision. Rifled barrels imparted spin, stabilizing projectiles for accuracy. Shell design evolved for specific impacts, like armor-piercing rounds. Engineers meticulously calculate trajectory, wind, and target resistance. High-velocity penetrators from M1 Abrams tanks pierce thick armor. These kinetic energy projectiles rely purely on speed and mass.
Material science also advanced, creating stronger, lighter armor. The science of impact now dictates both offense and defense.
Beyond warfare, impact mechanics drives countless daily applications. Drivers pound, creating foundations, shaping our lighter urban armor landscapes. Jackhammers break concrete with rapid, controlled percussive force. These tools leverage focused, repetitive impact for construction. Conversely, impact principles also protect us every day. Car crumple zones absorb crash energy, protecting vehicle occupants. Airbags deploy instantly, cushioning the body during sudden impact. These systems are meticulously engineered to manage destructive force. Engineers design structures to withstand earthquakes' powerful impacts. Understanding impact is crucial for both destruction and preservation. From ancient war machines to modern safety, impact is everywhere. It's a testament to human ingenuity, forever harnessing mechanical forces. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations of mechanical wonders.